I want to talk about Bulgaria today, and a lot of people might be rolling their eyes or saying, why are we in Panama talking about Bulgaria? And it's really because it's quite frankly, it's a new program. And with a lot of new residency and citizenship programs, the very best time to take advantage of them is when they first start, when they're brand new. They have to offer a lot to make it interesting for you to consider them, right? Costa Rica, for example, when they came out with their pensionata program 25 years ago, I mean, it was really the cat's meow. It was the best thing going. And, you know, now you can still retire to Costa Rica, but, you know, you're not going to get any special deal. You're not going to be able to import a car, you know, anytime you want. You're not going to be able to do this or that, and the income requirements are much higher. So that's generally what happens. Programs start. They understand the competitive landscape. This morning we talked a little bit about capital going to where it's treated best. And I think countries that want to start second residency, second citizenship type programs, you know, they're looking to attract capital, and so they have to come up with a good deal. And I believe that Bulgaria is a really good deal right now. If you're interested in getting a European passport, Bulgaria is the best deal on the market. First, a little background about Bulgaria. It's in Eastern Europe. It historically, well, first it was part of the Ottoman Empire, so it was controlled by the Turks for 500 years, from basically the 14th to the 19th century. Became independent in the 1870s, went through a bunch of different forms of government through the First World War, Second World War. After World War II, it became a member of the, you know, it was a member of the Soviet satellite state. It was a communist one-party country, and it was basically from 1946 up until 1989. That's what it was. So it wouldn't have been a place you would necessarily have wanted to go. In 1991, they had the first multi-party elections, and from 1991 onward, it's been moving more and more and more to the west ever since. In 2004, became a member of NATO. Think about that. I mean, it was a member of the Warsaw Pact, and now it's a member of NATO. 2007, it joined the EU. So it's a member of the EU, and they're in a transition right now, integration into Schengen. They're not a full member of Schengen yet, but they're in the process of working towards that. And what that means is, you know, with the Bulgarian citizenship, you can live and work anywhere you want in Europe. Of course, with the exception of the UK, right? So, in my view, if you want to have a European passport where you can live and work anywhere in Europe, you should really think about Bulgaria. And a lot of other people are considering Bulgaria right now for a couple of reasons. Becoming sort of an Eastern European tiger. Yes, it has problems. Yes, there's still poverty. But that's the reason why they've come up with this program to try to attract capital. The other things they're doing, they have the lowest personal and corporate tax rates in Europe, 10%. They have a 5% dividends tax. So again, capital flows to where it's treated best. And right now, you know, if you go to Sofia or you go to the Black Sea, you know, you're being overrun by armies of Germans primarily. You know, you go up and down the Black Sea, the little cafes, everything's in German. So, you know, they understand a good deal, and they're some of the earliest pioneers taking advantage of this citizenship program.